So we're going from bed head to body. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna go into the whole details of where I've been and what I've been doing. I'm gonna go right into the video. So today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on how to do a zigzag bun. I think I said that right. I'm back with the hair content 2022, praying I stay consistent. I always say that, so I'm not going to make any promises because life can get busy, but I just want this to be a really quick video, so I hope you guys enjoy. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. I literally woke up about 45 minutes ago. I haven't done anything to my hair. I literally just took it out of the bonnet. I washed my hair about 3 days ago. So it's getting in that puffy kind of state. The only things that you will need for this is some gel. So I got my Eco Styler. You're gonna need a soft brush, a rat tail comb, and then you're also gonna need 2 flexi rods. I'm gonna start by putting your hair in the middle part. Okay, once you've got your middle part, you're gonna create 2 sections at the front of your hair. You don't want to make these sections too big. Great, so we got 1 part. So once you've got that section, just make sure you clip it or tie it up so that it doesn't get in the way of your other hair. And then you're going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. I have my 2 sections. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie up the back. So now that you have your 2 sections, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a little section of hair from the side. So you don't have to be, I'm not too particular about it. I just try and take like a strand that goes and then I put it in my mouth. Now that you have your 2 strands, you want to keep them somewhere so you can tie them up. Once you've got your 2 strands, what you're going to do is you're going to start to make this zigzag parting. You can go through with your wrap tail and just clean it up a little bit. I'm going to do that off camera. Okay guys, so I actually went ahead and made my zigzags a little bit bigger. So once you're done with that, you take your gel, take enough of it because we're actually doing like a proper slick. And you're just gonna make sure you're getting that part nice and clear. And then take your soft brush. I use the hard side because my hair can be a little bit tough. And just make sure you're slicking that down. And then you're going to tie it with a band. You're going to take a hairband and you're going to tie it at the back. You're then going to take some Eco Styler, put it on these strands. You're going to take your flexies. Then you're going to take the back of your hair. You're going to take some gel. And you're going to slick this back. I don't use a soft brush when I do it. And you're going to do it so that you're creating like... And then at the front, that creates like that little illusion that you've got like a butterfly clip in your hair. So my camera died and I can't find the charger, so I'm going to film this last little bit from my phone.
Girl, shut the fuck up.
Going in with my Eco Styler and doing my edges. You want to make sure that when you're doing your edges, you're still kind of like patting down the side and then just taking those edges out. I literally just sweep it. Let me just give you a little 360.
Oh no, I hope I don't fall.
Leave these in for like 10 more minutes.
A few minutes later.
I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. I like to have my curls out like that. I think it looks hella cute. This is the final look of my zigzag bun. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.